Hi guys, my name is Zachary Hausner and this is for my MIS607 class, the discussion where we're talking about Agile as a software methodology, development methodology, and some of its features and traits and how effective it is. Now, Agile is kind of the newer software development methodology, differentiating itself from the initial waterfall, which is more kind of calling back towards the days of the assembly line, uh, whereas Agile is much more project oriented and very iterative in its process. Um, Agile is really meant for companies that are smaller to medium size that do small projects to medium sized projects that really value that independence, that rapid development, um, developmental culture. So it definitely scores very high on the adaptability index when it comes to like reacting towards the current needs of a client or whatever the programming needs may be for the software being developed. So if you're talking about a program that is like not even a program, but like if you're talking about an operating system, Agile is probably not the right methodology for you. But if you're talking about creating an application for a phone or a small software development for a small company or a medium-sized company, Agile is very good for that. It's very effective at that. The interesting thing with Agile is that it has the highest scoring for meeting project goals. And one of the reasons why that is the case is because the clients are involved with the development process versus other methodologies, which usually will have an interview with the client and they discuss what their needs are, and they will just kind of draw things out in the series of meetings, and then the client just kind of disappears for a while, and then goes back to the internal side, and they work on the program, they work on the software that needs to be developed, and then they present it back to the client. And in that more traditional methodology, people aren't so satisfied because one, they're not going to have ownership of the problems that may arise. They're going to have the understandings of how long certain things may take or the limitations of the technology, where versus Agile has the ability to actually meet those goals for the clients because the client is involved. The client can see firsthand why these things are not working the way they're supposed to working and what potential solutions they can come up with to help meet those end goals for the client. So you have that conversation back and forth. It's very relational. And it's relationality, that's really relationality. That's really where Agile has its strength because it's able to react, not only just react, but it's also able to have the input of the stakeholders into the development of the software on a rapid basis, so the clients can feel like their needs are being met in real time versus more traditional methodologies. Thank you.